Okay, so we are here in the Lighten Building 2018. We are here in the stand of Base Ingenium, and we are going to have a look at the products. Can you maybe say a couple of words about the company and
yeah,
then we'll
sure.
go to the panel?
We are here just promoting all our new products we are launching during this year, especially the new cubic line, the new capacitive push buttons we are launching in different formats. And also the new Daikin gateway we are developing, or we have developed, and also the 0 to 10 volts and 1 to 10 volts dimmer and some new things with our actuators.
Great, so let's go and have a look at the panel.
Perfect.
Okay, so here we are in a very interesting panel with a lot of nice designs. Maybe you can tell us a little bit more about
sure.
this?
So here we are launching our new cubic product line, including push buttons. We have our push buttons in two different formats: a square format in two tactile areas, 4 and 6, and the vertical ones with 6 and 8 tactile areas. All of them with built-in temperature sensor and humidity sensor. And also we have the different thermostats here below, all without or with temperature sensor, humidity sensor. And we also have this one with this small display with LED showing the temperature, the measured temperature, and the current temperature.
And the upper ones, only the sensor, the temperature sensor, and the regulator, it's in these at the bottom ones.
Here you also have the humidity sensor. Temperature sensor, thermostat, plus humidity sensor.
The thermostat functionality.
Yes,
also?
exactly. PID thermostat integrated.
Okay, that's interesting, very interesting. Okay, so can you explain us a little bit more what you have here?
Sure. Here we are with the first option we have, talking about customization level of our push buttons, the new cubic line. In this case, we are talking about the basic option, and all of them are plain white or plain black. So we can print the glasses depending on your request, but in this line, the basic one is plain black or plain white.
Okay, without customization in this?
Not in this case. In the next step, we will see the levels of customization we have.
Okay, great. Okay. Thank you. Okay, here we are also in a very interesting panel. Maybe you can explain us a little bit more about this one?
Of course. This is the second level of customization we have, talking about the new cubic line, the new capacitive push buttons. And we have the option here, independent of the square or the vertical formats, you can customize. The first step is going to be the background. The background picture could be a plain color like orange or black, or also a specific picture you want to customize. And also the icons, the labels, and everything can be customized by the customers.
Okay, and the colors are they only orange and black, or can you do more?
You can choose the color you want. It's up to the customer to decide which color they want to include, depending on the color of the wall or depending on other things.
Okay, great. So I can send you a picture and say how I want it, yes, and then you can make it with this picture. Of
course. And even you can do it by your own, depending on how level you have in terms of graphic arts and those kind of things. You can use more professional softwares, or you can use a PDF file we can provide you to edit all those kind of things, and then we can print it.
Okay, great. So that sounds very interesting, very nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so another panel looks similar, but it's different, I was told. What do we have here?
Yes, here we are. This is the third step of our customization level for the cubic products. It's very, very similar to the design line, but in this case, the main difference is that we can replace the glass is fixed with a magnet system. So we can replace the glass, changing for another design, or you can play with different designs you have. And also you have the option to order the glasses by its own. I mean, you don't need to order the electronic or the rear, just the glass.
Okay, that's great. So a customer can even have 4 or 5 different designs.
For sure.
And depending on the people they have
exactly.
at home, they change them.
For example, if you have a party at your house, you can replace it for another fashion design, or it depends on you.
Great, I like it. And the price of these?
The price is more or less the same, only the difference is on each single glass you want to order with different designs.
Okay, so it looks very nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so we are here in another panel with new features. Can you explain us a little bit?
Yes, of course. Well, here we are in the visualization panel. More or less, we are promoting all the different screens we have, but we are especially promoting this new Smart Touch Meg, which is one of the new lines for the Smart Touch products. More basic and a little bit more cheaper just to compete in different projects. And we are also here promoting the Smile Dominium Fairmax integration. It's a strong integration we have due to the worldwide partnership we have with them. And from this Smile Dominium monitor, of course, you have the video intercom features, but you can also control and manage the whole KNX installation. So at the end, we are talking about a KNX screen on the wall.
Very interesting, great. So you will see the same which is here, you will have there.
Exactly. The interface is going to be exactly the same, and also you have here a web server embedded, so you have the option to control your installation via cloud remotely without any problem, thanks to the Wi-Fi connectivity we have here.
Okay, great, very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so here we are again in a nice, interesting panel. So can you tell us?
Yes, of course. So here we are presenting all the stuff we have in our catalog, but also promoting all new devices we have. Like, for example, all the actuators with manual control. We have included some controls on the tabs just to activate or deactivate the outputs in manual way. We also have some new dimmers for 1 to 10 or 0 to 10 volts with different channels. And we are especially promoting our new Daikin gateway, also increasing our climate control offer. And talking about energy efficiency, we have included a new metering consumption with 3 different channels.
Wow, that's nice, very good. So direct without current transformer, or is it?
With current transformer. So depending on the cutoff capacity you need or the cutoff control you need, you can consider one current transformer or the other one. And another new thing we're promoting is the new power supply, 640 milliamps with backup battery. So we can have the option to keep tension in case of power failure.
Okay, great. But the backup battery it's a 12-volt battery which you can connect there.
Exactly. That's it.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, so here we have also a very interesting hotel solution. Can you explain us a little bit more about this?
Yes, we have been doing our first step in the hotel solutions. So in this case, we have adapted a little bit our new cubic line, a little bit focused on hotel solutions. So we have proposed this do not disturb and makeup room cubic line. You can install it in the door hotel room, so you can show information like the hotel number or do not disturb and makeup room signals, just to show the status of the room. And also for sure you can combine with cubic normal push buttons just to activate or deactivate those signals. And then below we have the room controller. This is a new device we are developing and we will launch to control or to cover as much as we can in a hotel room. So we will have dimming channels, we will have triac or relays outputs to control curtains or to control LED lighting. We will have also outputs for fan coil units and for electro bulbs, and then inputs to control all those lighting circuits or curtains. And even we will have also inputs to connect the car slot or to connect the presence sensor or magnetic sensors in the door on the window to manage the whole room.
Great. So it sounds very interesting. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. Okay, great. Thanks a lot for showing us the products. Very, very interesting. And I hope you have a great show, a lot of new customers. So thanks a lot. And yes.
Okay, thanks a lot for your time, for coming here, visit us. And it's always our pleasure to receive your visit here.
Great.
Okay? Thanks a lot. Thank you for your time.